In this video, I'm going to show you how to skip a day in MacroFactor. Now, if for some reason you want to skip a day and you do not want it to actually calibrate into the algorithm and stuff like that, you can actually do that very easily, and that is by marking your day as incomplete, okay? So what you can do is tap at the bottom left where you can see dashboard, and then on the dashboard, scroll down under habits over here, you have food logging. So just tap on food logging, and here you can select the day which you basically want to skip and you want to mark as incomplete. I'm going to tap on, for example, the 5th of April over here, and then at the bottom you can simply tap on where it says, is this day incomplete? Just toggle this like that, and as you can see, it's going to turn white, and here you can just save this, and this will basically skip it in the algorithm. So as far as I know, this basically will not take that as something that the algorithm would consider when adjusting things, and basically the algorithm will just ignore it without you needing to delete the specific day, and it won't actually negatively impact anything inside the app. So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.